Hey everyone, today we're going to dive into a topic that's a bit uncomfortable for some people, but really important: gas. We'll be breaking down what it is, why it happens, and most importantly, what you can do about it. First off, gas is simply the air that gets trapped in your digestive system. It can come from swallowing air, and it's also produced during the digestion of certain foods in your gut. Now, why does gas happen? It can be a normal byproduct of digestion. However, when it becomes excessive and uncomfortable, that's when we start to see it as a problem. So, what can cause excessive gas? There are various factors: caffeine, sugar, healthy foods like beans, broccoli, cabbage, and even dairy. Lack of digestive enzymes. This can make it harder for your body to break down certain foods. Gut health issues like leaky gut, dysbiosis, or IBS. Swallowing air. This can happen when you eat too quickly, you drink carbonated beverages, or when you chew gum. So, what can you do about it? Let's start with food. Chew small bites of food thoroughly to help break down food more efficiently, reducing the amount of gas producing bacteria in your gut. Incorporate less sugar, less caffeine, more fiber in the form of veggies, but start low and go slow. For beans, soak them at least 2 hours and then pour off that water before cooking. Take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and water with lemon before meals. Now, let's talk about lifestyle changes. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps keep things moving smoothly through your digestive system. Same thing with exercise, walking. That can stimulate your digestive system and alleviate gas. And don't forget about the mind gut connection. Stress and anxiety can have a significant impact on your digestive health. So things like deep breathing, meditation, stretching, yoga, understanding how you can shift your sympathetic nervous system over to your parasympathetic. Now, if you've tried these strategies and you're still struggling with gas or other digestive issues, it might be time to dig deeper, and that's where I come in. I offer a 15-minute root cause call where we can discuss your specific issues and explore potential underlying causes. It's a no obligation chat where we can figure out if there's a way I can support you on your journey to better health. So, thanks so much for tuning in today. Remember, you don't have to suffer in silence. There are solutions out there, and I'm going to help you find them. So, take care.